Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will delve into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on the 27th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since January 13, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.19. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 3.11%. This equates to an average return of 0.31% per day since it has been categorized as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently moving within a horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this established pattern. The trend observed over the past 3 months indicates a potential change of approximately 1.91% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 0.97% to positive 4.36%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 22.82% over the next year, with a potential return between 16.99% and 25.11%. This could result in a price range of approximately $644.87 to $689.67 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Evaluation of VOO ETF Downgraded After the Last Trading Session. The VOO ETF price decreased by 1.39% on the last day, which was Monday, the 27th of January, 2025, falling from $559.01 to $551.23. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.83%, with a low of $546.84 and a high of $551.39. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.25% over the past 2 weeks. Volume on the last day rose by 4 million shares, although this occurred amid declining prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 8 million shares were exchanged for approximately $4.14 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $561.65, while the lowest price recorded was $443.75. Currently, the price is 1.86%, or $10.42, below the 52-week high of $561.65, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO, is currently experiencing increased volatility due to significant market shifts, particularly a notable sell-off in technology stocks. As of January 27th, the S&P 500 has declined by over 100 points in response to rising concerns about competition in artificial intelligence, following unsettling news from a Chinese startup. This development has caused the tech-heavy Nasdaq to drop nearly 3.5%, profoundly affecting investor sentiment overall. The recent downturn in major indices suggests a potential market correction, raising fears among investors regarding the sustainability of recent gains. Additional pressures include upcoming earnings reports from major companies such as Tesla, Meta, and Microsoft, which are expected to further influence market trajectories later this week. In the short term, these dynamics indicate heightened volatility and potential risk for VOO's price as it reflects broader S&P 500 trends. Investor confidence may wane as uncertainty surrounds tech earnings and economic data, including the personal consumption expenditures results scheduled for release at the end of the week. The longer-term implications depend on how the market reacts to these developments. If fears turn out to be temporary and earnings surpass expectations, VOO could rebound, positioning itself favorably amid a recovery in technology and overall market stability. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF is currently receiving a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the ETF, indicating a positive forecast. If the ETF experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $553.82. Conversely, if it declines, the ETF will find support from the long-term average at about $548.80. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025, and thus far it has declined by 1.69%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. It is worth noting that volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 118 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $538.87. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is regarded as quite low. Over the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $4.55 between its high and low, which equates to 0.83%. Throughout the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.658%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $554.98. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $538.87. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $532, reflecting a decrease of 3.49%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been triggered by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO holds several positive signals. However, these are not enough to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it as a hold candidate, meaning one might either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment of this ETF from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 28th of January, we anticipate VOO to open lower by $1.41, beginning at $549.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.